drowning in decisions. Let's be real, life today is a non-stop stream of choices. From the moment we wake up, we're picking between oat milk or almond milk, staying or quitting, Netflix or a walk in the park. While having options sounds great, too many can leave us stressed, second-guessing, or just plain exhausted. Ever wonder why all this decision-making feels so draining? It's because every choice pulls on our mental energy, often leading to decision fatigue and anxiety. For young adults navigating new paths, or professionals juggling complex demands, this constant mental load can hinder productivity and well-being. But here's the kicker. When we start making choices that truly align with who we are, life starts to feel lighter, clearer, and way more satisfying. Mindfulness isn't just some buzzword from a yoga retreat. It's a powerful practical tool for mental wellness. It's your secret weapon against the overwhelm of modern life and decision fatigue. When you're mindful, you're present, grounded in the now. You stop reacting on autopilot and start listening, really listening, to what's going on inside you. Suddenly, that noisy mental chatter quiets down, offering a sense of calm. You begin to notice what you truly want, not just what the world expects from you. This clarity empowers you to make choices that reduce stress and boost your overall well-being. In our fast-paced world, stress reduction and mental wellness are paramount. Mindfulness offers a direct path to both. It helps anxious individuals find a quiet space within, and professionals enhance their focus and productivity. By cultivating presence, you gain control over your reactions and cultivate a more resilient mindset. This isn't about escaping reality, it's about engaging with it more effectively. It's about self-improvement that translates into better decisions, less stress, and a greater sense of purpose. You'll find yourself more productive, not because you're working harder, but because you're working smarter and with greater intention. Here's the good news. You don't need to sit on a mountaintop for 30 days to get better at this. These simple practical steps will do wonders for your mental clarity and decision-making skills. They are tools for anyone seeking greater calm and effectiveness in their daily life. Just pause. Before responding to an email, making a purchase, or committing to a plan, take one deep breath. This simple act interrupts the loop of overthinking and brings you back to center. It creates a vital space for clarity, allowing you to respond thoughtfully instead of reacting impulsively. Got a big decision weighing on you? Grab a notebook or open a blank document. Dump all your thoughts, fears, and possibilities onto the page. You'll be surprised how much clearer things become when you give your feelings and ideas a tangible voice. This process helps organize your thoughts and reduces mental clutter. Close your eyes for a moment. Picture option A and then option B. How does each scenario feel in your body? Which one brings a sense of peace, excitement, or relief? This intuitive exercise helps you tap into your inner wisdom, allowing your gut feeling to guide you towards the most aligned choice. Before a significant decision, ask yourself, what truly matters to me in this situation? Connecting with your core values, like integrity, growth, or connection, provides a powerful filter. Decisions aligned with your values feel more authentic and lead to greater satisfaction, reducing future regrets. You don't need to overhaul your entire life at once. Begin by applying these mindful pauses to small daily choices. With consistent practice, even just a few minutes a day, you'll build a powerful habit. This gradual approach makes mindfulness accessible and sustainable for everyone. Feeling overwhelmed by choices isn't a flaw. It's just modern life. But you are not powerless. You have tools. You have presence. And with mindfulness, you can transform from asking, "What should I do?" to confidently declaring, "This feels right." This shift empowers you to live with greater intention and less stress. So next time you're at a crossroads, don't rush. Breathe. Listen in. The answer is probably already inside you, waiting for a moment of silence to speak up. Start practicing these simple steps today to cultivate more calm, clarity, and productivity in your life. Share your experiences in the comments below, and let's build a community of mindful decision makers